Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to invest in cryptocurrency for beginners. Cryptocurrency has been gaining a lot of popularity lately, and it's a great way to diversify your investment portfolio. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. So, what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It operates independently of a central bank and can be transferred directly between individuals without the need for intermediaries like banks. Some popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Now, let's talk about how to invest in cryptocurrency. The first step is to choose a cryptocurrency exchange. There are many exchanges out there, but some popular ones include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Make sure to do your research and choose an exchange that is reputable and secure. Once you've chosen an exchange, you'll need to create an account and verify your identity. This usually involves providing some personal information and a government-issued ID. Once your account is set up, you can start buying and selling cryptocurrencies. When it comes to investing in cryptocurrency, it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. Cryptocurrency prices can be very volatile, and there is always the risk of losing your investment. That being said, there are also opportunities for significant gains. So, how much should you invest in cryptocurrency? It's important to only invest what you can afford to lose. It should be viewed as a long-term investment, and it's important to have a diversified portfolio that includes other types of investments as well. Finally, it's important to store your cryptocurrency in a secure wallet. There are many different types of wallets, including hardware wallets, software wallets, and paper wallets. Make sure to choose a wallet that is secure. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Until next time.